Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use assets in Figma. Assets are incredibly powerful for streamlining your design workflow. They are reusable elements such as components, styles, and images that ensure consistency across your projects. You can easily access and manage all your assets directly from the Assets panel, located on the left side of your Figma interface. This central hub makes finding and utilizing your design elements straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into components, a core asset type. Components are master elements that you can reuse many times across your design files. To use one, simply drag it from the Assets panel onto your canvas. This creates an instance. Instances automatically inherit any updates made to the main component, ensuring consistency. If you need to modify an instance independently, you can easily detach it, making it a unique object. Beyond components, styles are crucial for consistency. Text and color styles help maintain a cohesive brand identity throughout your designs. You can apply these styles from the right-hand design panel to any element. For collaborative projects, team libraries are invaluable. They enable you to share assets across multiple Figma files, ensuring everyone uses the same approved elements. Remember to publish any changes to your library so your team receives the updates. Effective organization is key to maximizing asset utility. Consider using pages and frames to categorize your components logically within your Figma file. Always rename your assets clearly and consistently. This makes them much easier to find and use later. A best practice is to create a dedicated components page to house all your main components. Regularly reviewing and updating your asset library ensures it remains efficient and useful for your entire design team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.